According to Motor1.com, Porsche has unveiled the updated 992 Generation 911, featuring the electrified Carrera GTS. The 2025 Carrera GTS combines a 3.6-liter flat-six engine with an electric motor, delivering 532 horsepower and 449 pound-feet of torque. This model will be available before the end of the year. The hybrid system replaces the twin-turbo setup with a single electric turbocharger. The Carrera GTS achieves 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.9 seconds. Prices for the 2025 Carrera GTS start at $166,895, up from $152,550 in 2024. The base Carrera model also receives updates, including turbos and intercoolers from previous GTS and Turbo models. The 2025 base Carrera starts at $122,095, a rise from $116,050 in 2024. Facelifted 992 Carreras will arrive at dealers this fall, with more models to follow. You are listening to UON News.